With opioid-related deaths still on the rise, Dane County leaders are looking for long-term solutions to fight substance abuse in Madison. Our Maddie Heimsch has more on plans for a new drop-in center designed to help save lives. Maddie?
Yeah, Eric, that proposed center would be Narcan, fentanyl strips, smoking supplies, and syringe services. The site would also be staffed by specialists who say there's a need for safe spaces like these in Madison.
Everything's there, whether it's syringe services or materials on educating kids for prevention or diapers for babies if, sometimes it's just the core needs of people that aren't being met.
The 2024 settlement budget provided $800,000 for the opioid settlement subcommittee to put to use. Rick Rose, committee chair, says the drop-in center concept comes after input from both experts and those impacted by addiction.
Talking to people about residents at the jail, talking about moms and the high rate within the queer community or the high rate within the elderly Black community. These are areas that are really challenged.
Currently, there are 2 locations in Madison that provide syringe services, both of them within Public Health Madison and Dane County buildings.
They have done such a tremendously good job communicating with people who have come in for syringe exchange or syringe services. We want to build on those conversations.
Rose says there are misconceptions around providing accessible equipment to drug users.
There's a lot of stigma around all of these things, but for so long it's not working. We're still losing 200-300 people a year. So if this system isn't working currently, we need to hear and try ways that may be different to save those lives. It's not an overdose use center, it's an overdose prevention center. We're there to save lives.
The concept is still subject to approval by the county board.
And if it gets that approval, committee members say the center can prevent opioid-related overdoses more effectively than an abstinence-based approach.